friends, welcome to this episode. So today's topic is how to do speed math calculations very effectively and fastly. Okay, so in order to speed up your calculations, you need there will be 30 plus tricks. There will be 30 plus tricks I have found uh, based on speed maths. So I'm going to discuss with you in this episode. So if you follow these tricks, so it will be amaze you, and you can use in any kind of calculations while you are attempting any question or attempting any kind of calculations in your scenarios. So it will be super helpful for you. So stay till end of this video, so you'll be able to grab the knowledge that I'll be sharing with you. Okay, so let's start the session. So first I'm sharing with you there are some amazing multiplication tricks will be there. So first I'm going to share with you, these are the amazing multiplication tricks that I have been found. Okay, so first one I'm sharing you, so it is very easy one. So multiplying any number by just 2, multiplying any number by 2. So simply it is called as doubling concept. So it will be easy, right? For example, if you are in a scenario to multiply 46 into 2, so just what you need to do is you can easily double it, but if it is a big number, it will be difficult task for you to double it at that time. So just split the number. So just take it as 40 into 2 plus 6 into 2. So 40 into 2 would be 80, and 6 into 2 would be 12. So if you combine 80 and 12, it's going to be 92. So split it and gain it. Split it and answer it. It's very easy. Okay. So let's take one more example to get a clear idea. So I'm now taking an example like this. So what is this example is 69 into 2. So it is kind of a big number. It's not that much a big number, but it's a quite big number, right? So just split it. 60 into 2 and 9 into 2. 60 into 2 would be 120. 120 and 18 would be 138. So this is our answer. So it is one kind of multiplication trick I want to discuss with you. And let's get into second rule or second trick. Okay. So this is the trick. So I want to discuss everything from multiplying number, multiplying any number with 2 to 10 or 2 to 9. Okay. First of all, so if you are learning 2 to 12, so it will be more easier for us to calculate any kind of calculations. Sometimes what we get is we are in a scenario to multiply some numbers into another number. So if we learn this kind of tricks, it will be super helpful for them, super helpful for us in any kind of calculations. Okay. So next one is multiplying by 3. So how we can multiply by 3? Okay. So 43 into 3. For example, if we are in a scenario to multiply 43 into 3, so what you can do? 40 into 3, just split it and multiply it. 3 into 3. So 40 into 3 would be 120, and it's going to be 9. So total 129. So 43 into 3 would be 129. So in the same way, if you are in a scenario to multiply 66 into 3, then what you can do? Make it 60 into 3 plus 6 into 3. So 180 and 18, it's going to be 198. So see friends how easy it was. So if you split the value and making calculation, it will be very easy. Okay. So until now we have discussed multiplying any number by 2 and multiplying any number by 3. So let's discuss next multiplying any number by 4. Okay, now see multiplication by 4. Okay. So let me write. This is the third one I am discussing with you. Third trick, multiplication of any number by 4. Okay, multiplication by 4. So let's take an example to get a clear view. 33 into 4. So you are in a scenario to multiply 33 into 4. So what you can do is take that initial number 33 and just one time double and again double. It's going to be 132. Let me take one more example for your clarification. 162 into 4. So double ones. So I'm taking initial value here. So 162 into 4 you need to do that. So double it. 162 into 2 would be 324 and again double. 324 double is 648. So this is the simple solution. So we have multiplied multiplication of any number by 4 also we have done. So next one is multiplying a number by 5. Okay, multiplying by 5. So it's going to be very super easy trick will be there. For example, you are in a scenario to multiply 43 into 5. 43 into 5. So how to do this? So just take that initial value 43 and add 0 after that. Okay, after adding 0, just half it, half the value, half the value, half the value, in the sense 430 half is going to be 215. So this is our answer. So take one more example for some clarity. So you are in a scenario to multiply 96 into 5. So just take the initial value 96 and add 0 after that 96 and half it. So 960 half is going to be 480. So this is our answer. So see how easily we have multiplied any number by 5. So it's going to be a super easy trick. Okay. So let's take now next. So the next fifth trick I am going to share in this session is going to be multiplying a number by 6. Multiplying a number by 6. So what we can do? So I'm writing the concept over here, doubling and tripling. So this is the concept. Okay. So whenever you are going to multiply a number by 6, so remember this trick. Okay, the trick is going to be doubling and tripling. So split it 2 into 3 like that. So doubling and tripling, so you can remember easily. Okay, for example, I'm in a scenario in a calculation. I want to multiply 42 into 6. Okay, 42, I'm in a scenario and I want to multiply 42 into 6. So what I can do, take that initial value 42 and once double it. So this picture is coming to picture. Okay, doubling and tripling. So take 42, 42 double is 84, and tripling is nothing but into 3. So 84 into 2, 84 into 3 is going to be how much? So if you are in difficulty to calculate 84 into 3, so 8 threes would be 224. So 0 is there. So 80 into 3 is going to be 240. 4 into 3, 12. So 252. So this is our answer. So 42 into 6 would be 252. We have calculated very easily. If you practice this kind of tricks directly, if you are in a scenario to calculate something, you can calculate these things in your head and try to grab the solution very easily. Okay. So let me take one more example to get clear idea. So you are in a scenario to multiply 124 into 6. So like 124, take the initial value. Double of 124 is going to be 248. And again, you need to triple it. So 248 triple is, so if you are in a situation, if you don't know how to do this, like just 200 into 3 is going to be 600. 600 plus 48 into 3, it's going to 48 into 3 is going to be 144. So 60 plus 144 is going to be 744. So this is a simple solution. Okay, so when it comes to multiplication of any number by 6, you need to just double it, doubling and tripling. So remember this word, keyword. Okay, doubling and tripling, we have first double the initial value and again triple that result. So that's going to be our answer. Okay, I hope you are finding helpful these tricks. Make sure you like this video and share this video to your friends and colleagues who are preparing for competitive exams and who are interested to see these kind of videos. Okay, and I hope you got support. I got some support from you as well by subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest notifications that I will be frequently posting. Okay, so let's move forward to the next trick. So the next trick I'm going to share with you is like multiplying. So sorry, like okay. So this is the sixth trick I'm sharing with you. Multiplying any number by 8. Okay, multiplying any number by 8. So what you can do, remember here is like doubling 3 times, double 3 times, double it 3 times. So this is the word you need to remember. If you want to multiply any number by 8, you need to double it 3 times. Simple. I'm not going to tell you any new tricks and all. It's very easy. And what I'm doing is like splitting up the multiplications and making multiplications very easy for you. Okay. If you want to follow any other tricks also, you can freely follow. But what I found is like easy, these kind of tricks. Okay. So you're in a scenario to multiply 26 into 8. So how to multiply this? Double 3 times. Take the initial value. Double of 26 is going to be 52. So again double of 52 is going to be 104, and again double of 104 is going to be 208. So this is the solution. Okay, so I'm taking again a good example for you to understand better. 75 into 8, how to multiply. Take the initial value. Double of 75 is going to be 150, and again double of 150 is going to be 300, and double of 300 is going to be 600. So this is the simple solution. So how we can multiply 75 into 8 in a very easy way. So if you multiply, like if you practice these kind of tricks, you can easily multiply these kind of things in your fingertips and try to grab the answer very easily. Okay. So next trick I'm going to share is like multiplying a number by 9. Okay. So this is the 7th trick today I'm sharing with you. I hope you are finding some value with this video. Multiplying any number by 9. Okay. So just tripling, triple and triple. So this is the simple concept you need to remember here. Okay. So multiplying any number by 9, you need to triple 2 times. So that is the main thing. For example, you are in a scenario to multiply 23 into 9. Okay. So how you gonna multiply? Take the initial value 23 and triple 2 times. So 23 triple is going to be 69, and again triple is 69 threes is going to be 207. So how I said like directly. So I split the value in my head like 60 into 3 is 180 and 9 into 3 27. 180 and 27 would be 207. So that is the simple solution I found here. Okay. So let me take one more example for your clarification and some clarity purpose. 61 into 9. You are in scenario to multiply 61 into 9. So how you gonna multiply? First triple of 61 is going to be 183, and 183 triple is going to be our answer. Okay, 183 triple is going to be, so just 180 into 3 would be 540, 180 into 3 would be 540, and 3 into 3 would be 9. So answer would be 549. So this is the simple solution. So the next trick I'm going to share with you is that this is the 8th trick I'm going to share with you on this session. Like multiply any number by 11. So it's a famous trick. Most will be follow this trick. Multiplying a number by 11, any number by 11. Okay. So how you gonna do this? It's a simply called as, like, there is no specific trick. It is some Vedic trick. Simply it is called as pairing method. So simply it is called as pairing method. For your information, I'm sharing this. Okay, multiplying any number by 11, it's going to be commonly called as pairing method. So remember this simple word. Okay, pairing method. Okay, so for you are in a scenario to multiply 624 into 11. So how you multiply this? So I'm just telling you the pairing method over here. Okay, so take from left 4, write this, and add this. 4 plus 2 would be 6, right here. Okay, next take two numbers, 864. Okay, and last you need to write this 6864 would be your answer. So if you are confused how to do this and all, I'm telling you one more trick. So do follow this. So you are in a scenario to multiply 624 into 11. Okay, so just take that 624 and add 0 over the left side of it. Okay, so take each of the word. First you need to write 4 over here, and take two digits and add that, two digits and add it, two digits and add it. So this is your answer. Okay, so pairing method, multiplication of any number by 11 is very good, very easy. Okay, so it's a no-brainer, anyone can do it. So let me take one more example for your clarification. Okay, let me take a big one, so to get a clear idea about this topic and all. So I'm taking 9632 into 11. So you're in a scenario to multiply 9632 into 11. Okay, so what I done here, take the initial value 9632 and add 0 in front of it, and take each number. First I need to write 2 over here, and take two numbers and add it. So 15. So 9 plus 6 would be 15. So if you have an extra number, you need to carry that one to the next number. So it will be going to be a carryover. Okay, so next 9. Okay, 9 and the carryover 10. So this is your simple solution. Okay, 1,05,952. So 9632 into 11 would be, this is the answer. Okay, 105952. So I hope you enjoyed this session. I told you like some 8 methods to multiply any number by certain kind of number, and I hope this session helpful for you. If you found this helpful, just like this video and subscribe to our channel to make more videos like this. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.